city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
To come to pass the certificate to all the participants. Okay. All the judges, Miss Jusan, Miss Lelo Jacqueline, and Miss Yohani Tong. Okay. I think we will just give the award of participation to the candidates.
Oo, marami. Dami nga nila eh. Pagka nag-bow pa yan sila, mas kukulangin yata ang Pinoy mag-attend. Oo, marami sila Long live International Solidarity!
Yes.
Long live International
Ang sama kasi ng pakiramdam ko, kalalabas ko lang sa bahay. Sinisipon ako.
Dami ng sayaw-sayaw.
Ay.
Dami niya na. Walang na gallery niya.
Madami lang na premier.
Namita Pradhan to Namita Pradhan.
Ganda. Ayan, ganda lang ko na.
Ako, unti-unti lang.
นี่จะเป็นมอบใบประกาศนียบัตรให้กับผู้แฟชั่นโชว์
Sandia Suba, Nirmala Rai, please, Nirmala Rai.
Nawawala.
Sorry, we will just call the participant in no particular order. So please pay attention. Thank you.
มาเลยขอเชิญคุณสมจิตพิเรือนทองขอตัวแทนหนึ่งคนมอบรับใบประกาศด้วยนะมอบรับใบประกาศแทนพี่สมจิตกัน
Melinda Gomez, Michelle Ann Alba, Michelle Ann Alba.
ขอบคุณค่ะลำดับต่อไปเวทติ้งเทคโนโลยี
Please also move at the back, please. Rosalind Papia. Rosalind Papia.
Sana mapuno yung bag.
We have to receive an certificate and take photo and go another.
Go at the back, please, after you receive your certificate. Thank you. Regalin Falgun. Regalin Falgun. Cheryl Ginobebe. Fiona Mauricio.
Aki Acosta. Aki Acosta. Okay.
Ikaw, Nayu. Suratin. Suratin.
Regal Roma.
Ikaw.
Regal Roma.
Rega Rahman.
Then this one. Okay, thank you. Can we go?
Siti Sa
Take photos. Marinda.
Not me.
It's Marinda. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Not me! Not me!
Free what you need.
Not me!
Free what you need.
Not me! Suratin! Not me!
Free
Take photo for take photo for yeah. Take photo and go on to.
Not me! Not me!
Free Sawadee.
Okay. Just.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone, for the get certificate.
Okay, please stay at the back.
And fashion show, everyone go to the in front. We have to together take photo.
We will announce the winners. Stay there. Woo! Are you excited?
Are you excited? Okay.
It's okay. It doesn't matter which come first.
Okay, this is a special award. It's a category of best interpretation of the theme. And the winner is...
We have to.
So yeah, number.
With them. We have
Yeah.
to.
Any guesses?
We have to.
No,
Who's your best?
Number.
Who's your best? Number
22. Yay!
For the other one,
maghihintay ng habang buhay, makaiubos ng luhay.
Okay, the best winner, number 22.
come over here. Okay, bye. Stay here. Okay. And for our next category, we will who is the winner? Who's your bet? Wala na akong vote.
Category is most creative design.
Oh, the most creative. Who is your bet?
Any guesses?
Bye. What is your guess?
Someone who can offer ideas. That's him. Magnificent.
Okay. The winner is contestant number 4. Okay, before we announce the winner for the award.
First we announce and then we leave a message.
Okay. But can you clear this area, please? Thank you. Clear the area. I know you're excited and I'm so excited too. But please, can you make some space, okay? Are you ready? For the favorite of the crowd, we have 2 winners.
Unfortunately, we didn't prepare enough certificates for the crowd from favorite. So we will give the missing one in another week.
For the next week, we will give. Okay, ready? Any guesses? Yes.
Any guesses?
Any guesses? Malapit na naman kayo. Lumayo kayo. Spice. Okay, for the crowd favorite, the winners are contestant number 4 and 22.
Yeah, because the number is so tight, the judges also can't choose one.
Number 22 and number 4 is the most crowd favorite.
And anyway, we have everyone take photo.
Yeah, there you have it, the contestant for our OPR fashion show. Okay. Number 4 and 22. 22 and 4. Okay. Number, no.
Hari, okay, stop. Hampir ka, o gagawin siya. Okay, hindi sangsan.
Don't go yet because we still have we still have to dance, okay? Ay po ha? Photo! Okay, photo! Photo op, sorry, okay? Okay, stay there, okay, because we're gonna dance, okay, with that outfit. Okay. Photo session. Photo session.
Now, yeah, take photos together for the fashion show. And congratulations for the winner, everyone.
Okay, can we call all the leaders to come forward to have an audition? We can't go wrong.
Thank you so much for all the participants. You working hard.
Thank you so much for all the participants. We appreciate all of your efforts.
Yeah, and congratulations to all of the winners. Those who are not here today, we have another times to have another competition of fashion show. Okay.
Let's dance.
There we are together.
Are you ready to dance? Okay. Okay. I will. Okay. Huh? Peace all.